Here is a General Electric dual wave 2 microwave system. Picked this up today at the Goodwill for a whopping $5. Apparently they put dates on their stuff now. The date was 10/8. Today I believe is 10/19 or 10/17. It's maybe a week or two later. This thing is in really great condition, especially compared to the other one that I have. Inside is pretty much pristine. Very nice. This is, wipe it down real quick and it's ready to go. The seal down at the bottom is still good. It's in great shape. I really hope it works. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't. There's the informations. Was made in May of 1988 in Japan, so it probably does still work. General Electric Company, Louisville, Kentucky. The model number is JE1435G001. 3 years of warranty. Household microwave oven. UL listed. Really a neat piece here. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see if the display is in good working order or not. I want to get this plugged back in as soon as I can because electronics are pretty old in this thing. And I think the more time they sit unplugged, it just creates the opportunity for capacitors to get messed up. So, alright, the display works. Well, mostly. I think it says reset. Definitely having some, maybe some of the pixels are dead, I don't know. Let's see. Clock. Yeah, the start. Yeah, the screen has definitely seen better days. The LEDs are just starting to die out, because they've probably been on for who knows how many decades. Well, I guess we do know how many decades. 3. It's been on for over 3 decades. So the LEDs are just getting tired. It's too bad because it probably keeps time just fine and otherwise still works perfectly, which is really impressive. Well, that stinks, but I think they're all going to start to just be getting that way now. Well, I got a cup of water here. Let's put this in and see if it works. I don't know, 30 seconds maybe? I really don't know how to use the thing. Well, this goes to show just how often I cook using a microwave, which is pretty much never. Power 10. See, that's still good. Those LEDs are still good. There you go. Oh yeah, it works. Light and all. E. I was saying N, but only the E is working. Oh gosh, that's scalding hot. Huh. It works. Holy mackerel. Does it ever work? Wow. Okay, so this thing is working strong. Well, clean it up and this will go into the kitchen. Too bad the clock isn't going to work, but that's okay. It'll still look nice.